Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add products to Shopify from Roposo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify.com website right here if you have not already. If you do not have the website open up, go ahead and open it up and log into your account, and after logging into your account where your store is, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where you can find all the options you can access right here left side screen, all the sections, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with adding Roposo. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the apps section right here. So here we have our apps. What we want to do is click on add apps, and this is going to open up this news menu where we can find quick apps. But what we want to do is to open up the Shopify App Store. So we're going to tap on Shopify App Store right here, and after clicking on it and opening it up in a new tab, we can now see this is the Shopify App Store, where at the top of the screen we have this search bar that we can use for searching apps. What we want to do is search for Roposo. So go ahead and search for Roposo, guys. As you can see, this is now going to give us a list of all the apps that we can use for our website and for our store. And you can see one of them is Roposo Cloud Dropshipping. What you can do, guys, is use maybe some of the different apps for dropshipping that you have right here, but Roposo is made for that exactly. And what you can do, guys, as you can see, it's currently not compatible with my store, but if it is compatible with your store and you can use Roposo, what you can do is click the option right here that's going to enable you to add it to your store. So click the get app application, get app, and after getting the application, it's going to appear right here under your apps, and you can get started logging into your Roposo, adding your account and your products. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.